Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube contents. I'm Sam Kim. In this video, I would like to show you how to calculate the Spearman correlation to measure ordinal association. There is one reference site I have used for this video. And according to this website, Spearman rank correlation coefficient is computed by using rank scores, which are defined in the section scores. I will show you how the formula for scores later. And this measure is appropriate only when both variables lie on an ordinal scale. And the range of Spearman correlation is from -1 to +1. And the Spearman correlation coefficient is computed as RS is equal to V divided by W. And its asymptotic variance is like this. There is more detailed formula explanation to calculate the Spearman correlation. I will cover this part in this video, not variance part. Let me use this 5 by 5 contingency table to measure Spearman correlation. And I have captured critical parts to calculate the Spearman correlation. Right. So firstly, let me show you how to calculate row scores and column scores by using this formula. The most important thing, I think, to understand this formula is this subscript. K is smaller than I and L is smaller than J, right? To calculate rank scores for column, row, and column. Right, let's calculate row scores by using this formula. So row scores, 0, this part, plus first marginal row sum, plus 1 divided by 2, and second row scores, this one, plus second row marginal sum, plus 1 divided by 2, and sum of first two marginal rows, plus third marginal row row sum, plus 1 and divided by 2. If we fix this one, then we can apply this formula for other cells. Okay, same approach. Plus first column marginal sum, plus 1 over 2, and first column marginal sum, plus second marginal sum, plus 1 divided by 2, and for third column scores can be calculated by using sum of first two column marginal sum. We can fix this one, and plus third, this one, marginal sum, 3, plus 1, and divide by 2. Then we can apply this formula for other cells. Right. Then let's move on to calculate this Ri and Cj, because V can be calculated by using sum of Nij times Ri times Cj, right? So Nij can be, this is cell counts data, so we can use offset function. Fix reference this one, and specify rows, comma, and specify column number, this one. Then we can apply this formula for other cells. Okay, let's get sum of all count data. Then it should be same as this blue color cells. Then Ri can be calculated by using this formula. So V lookup, comma, and fix, and comma, 8, comma, first, because row scores are from 8th column, from first column. Okay, and then minus total count total sum, fix this one and divide by 2. And we can also use H lookup, comma, lookup table here, and press F4 to fix it, and comma 8, comma first, and minus total sum, fix this one and divide by 2. And we can apply this formula for other cells, and V can be calculated by Nij times Ri times Cj. Then V is sum of each cell's V. Then W can be calculated by square root of Fg time divided by 12. So let's get F. F can be calculated by using this formula. Total counts and power of 3 and minus plus second row, third row, and first row, and final last cell, this one. And G can be calculated by same approach. Right, then W can be calculated by square roots of F times G and divided by 12. Right. Then let's get Spearman rule. Spearman correlation coefficient can be calculated by using this formula. So V divided by W. Right. So this is Spearman correlation. Again, Spearman correlation. The range of Spearman correlation is from -1 to +1. So it means that we can say that this 5 by 5 contingency table has positive correlation in terms of ordinal association. So I hope it was useful to understand how to calculate the Spearman correlation by using this formula in Excel. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.